In this video, I'm going to show you how to add XAUUSD on MT4. Now, whether you can do this or not is going to heavily depend on what broker you are using. So if you're using a broker which doesn't support XAUUSD, otherwise known as gold as well, you won't be able to actually add it, okay? So you must use a broker which does support it. And let me show you how to check this. So you want to go to the top left, click on View, and then click on over here where it says Symbols. Inside Symbols, you want to go and extend wherever it says like Forex or something similar, and then in here you should be able to see XAUUSD. If you see it like I can right now, simply click on it and click on Show Top Right, and it's going to become yellow and it's going to show it over here on the left inside Market Watch, just like this, okay? However, if you can't find it in there, it means that likely your broker does not support it. So the best way to fix this would be to just open like an MT4 demo account and then use it in there because it does support it, as you can see. Or you could also open another account with a different broker which does support XAUUSD. You can Google that and you'll get a clear answer very quickly on which brokers do support gold, otherwise known as XAUUSD. And then you can just do the process. You sign into your broker, and of course you do the same process, view symbols, you find it, you show it, and you have it over here. You can right click and show the chart window, and from here you can then go and trade it. So that's how to add XAUUSD on MT4. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.